Those of you that follow me already know I went on a ghost hunt looking for the ghost walking its dog. I could not find it, and so I just decided to make one, and I'm going to show you how. Here we have our tomato cages, our pool noodles, and our pumpkin bucket. Here I am cutting a piece of foam. I'm going to glue it inside of our pumpkin bucket. Did you guys even know they made white pumpkin buckets? Neither did I. This is the first year I've ever seen them. I thought I was going to have to paint some pumpkin buckets. And when I saw the white, I was like, what? That's awesome. So I'm just gluing that in there. And then I did put a piece of tape across to hold it even better. And we're just going to stick that on the tomato cage. The tomato cages I got were 33 inch and 42 inch. The 33 inch was a little small for me, so I did end up using the 42 inch. Now let's cut the pool noodles to the size we want, and I'm going to be using these for the arms. And I'm just taping it around the pool noodle, positioning it where I want it onto the tomato cage. This arm I'm going to want a little longer because this one I'm going to bend it and use it to hold our trick-or-treating bucket. And I'm just trying to position it down, that way it can hold the bucket. And then these are some white tablecloths. Most everything I got is from the Dollar Tree. I used one rectangular tablecloth and one round tablecloth for the ghost. Can you guess what I'm making here? You guessed it, it's the dog's head. And then the dog's neck. I kind of just paper mache'd it and made it the shape. And I think that looks good. Now I'm just going to use this box for the body, tape the head to it. And then this is also a white round tablecloth. And I'm just going to give the dog some pigtails for the ears. And I'm just taping around it so it holds. And then they had this mesh tubing. They had all colors of this. It was hard to pick. I did black because it looked like more like a leash. But they had pink, purple, orange. So many choices. And now I'm just going to cut it to length and glue it into the ghost's, tape it into the ghost's hand. And now for the fun part. I loved making this headband for the ghost. I picked this one with fabric because it would hold better. It'd be easier to glue the flowers and to attach the flowers to it. And so I glued these purple roses to the headband. I thought the roses with the eyeballs in them looked so neat. And of course, I had to add some fall leaves. The leaves are probably my favorite part of the ghost. Every time I see it, I just love the leaves in its hair. And then I don't even know what these are called, but these orange sparkly stick things were so cute. I love it. Look how cute it is. Can you see the ghost's third eye? And then these bows were perfect for the dog's collar. They also had so many colors of these bows, and the skull on it was just... And here is the ghost's eyes. So I did end up cutting the ghost's eyes in the oval shape and the dog's raindrop shape. The ghost's eyes were way too long for me. I did use this glue runner to glue the eyes to it. But the ghost's eyes were just too long, and so I ended up taking them back off and cutting them a little smaller. But it worked out perfect in the end because it gave us a little smiley face. to put on the ghost and the dog. So much better. Now let's put that smile on. And then, of course, I had to give the ghost some spider lashes. These spiders are from the flowers that I got. And they are just perfect. So the ghost has spider lashes. I also found this trick-or-treating bucket. It's so cute. I thought it'd be so neat to have the dog and the ghost going trick-or-treating. I did put some lights under the tablecloth to light it up. It does different colors. Follow for more crafting videos, and if you come back, you'll see that I upgraded the dog and the ghost. I added silver to their eyes, eyelashes to the dog, and flowers in the dog's hair. So come back and see that. And here is the tomato cage ghost upgraded.